Headquarter IZR Sound Thadrok Pachero Namada Tha Sige Amada Indo Myanmar Ngamkheidagi Lona Yadabong Mong the Polam Kea Lalon Itiki Damakta Kamjong District Kangpat Center da Putok Pusin Taure Haiba Akaknaba Pau Amafang Mudagi Assam Rifles na Singnaba Mapam Aduda Ti Humagi Tabak Chatabada Mapam Aduda Truck Taraga Humdoi Singnaduna Sek Toba Matamda Lupa Crore Taraga Humdoi Dasmik Taruk Ani Mari Romgi Maru Ton Samaga Tara Humdoi Dasmik Ngamkheidagi Shoi Punna Bek Lising Masahum Kuntraga Tareta Pagat Pangamle Hari Pagalaba Polam Singado Makata Logi Oiba Tabak Lokatnaba Kamjong Forest Bit Officer the Kusina Krahari. Tha Sigamada Sam Rifles ki Lisang Sina Satarpa Civic Action Program ki Manung Sana Sanden District the Leba Natham Orphanage Home the Leba Angang Kuntraga Manga Amadi Stop Mangada Nung Madasang the Bayadra Polam Kaya and Tokuna Mating Pankre. Headquarter IZR South Kibit Yang Makada Assam Rifles na Khelo India Games promote Tobo Oina Ngasi Bisnupur District ki Sendra the Leba Kokilbol Khungangi Kokilbon Football Club na pangthok liba under 12 football coaching camp asibu pukning thogot poina sana khonabagi potlam kaya yan thokre haina cherona dun hairi
We are dreamers searching for knowledge and wisdom. We work hard to reach our goals. No matter what path we choose, what life we decide to live, we are always searching for a bigger picture. We need impulses and sources of inspiration. We need a place for creative thinking, and we need true companions to embrace the world with open arms and experience freedom. At Millennium, academic subjects and extracurricular activities complement each other to develop socially skilled and healthier students. Theories and concepts are well understood by performing scientific experiments frequently. Millennium School is the right place to grow, nurture, develop, to try things that are hard. Admission going on at both the campuses, Sagolban Salam Lekai and Paksoi Part 4. We are the future. Dream big with Millennium School.